Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to do the seat booking for ETO COC written and oral examination. So let me tell you, the seat booking starts from 1st of every month and it goes till 7th. So you have 7 days of time to book your seat. So you have to go to Digishipping website and click on e-governance and then log in into your profile. Once you log in, you have to click on the examination icon which is in the center. After clicking on examination, you get lot of options on your left hand side. So at present you can see there is no option for you to do your seat booking. So when seat booking has not started, you won't get any link here. So sometimes seat booking gets delayed for one day if it is Sunday or holiday. So don't have to panic. Sometimes it gets started in the evening and also don't panic on the first of the month if you are not getting any option to do the seat booking. Once the seat booking starts, you can get the link here. And now as you can see, application for seat booking. So here you have to click for doing your seat booking. Here you have to select the MMD from where you have applied. So since I have chosen Kolkata MMD, grade will be electrotechnical officer, and then you will get option for the stream. So you have to choose the last option, that is after 12 months of sea service you are applying. Then choose the propulsion type as the motor vessels. Now click on continue to go to the next page for choosing your month and year. Now you have to select year and the month in which you are applying exam. So suppose you want to give exam in the November, so date booking will start on the 1st November till 7th November. So since I gave exam in July, I selected July. Now I can see options ETO operational oral and ETO marine electrotechnology and SSCP. So I only want to apply for written, so I selected written. And if you want to select both written and oral in the same month, you have to do both together and pay 9,000 fees. So since you can see it written in the red that you can submit only one request per month. So I want to appear only for written, so I have selected written. So now we have reached to the payment page. So payment mode is e-payment. Amount is 4,500. Now click on continue and then tick on I agree icon and then submit. So you get a warning to reconfirm your details, then only submit the form. So click on OK. Now it will take you to the payment page. So you can see in the red, pay fees online. So click on this to proceed for the payment. So now just reconfirm all your details and click on pay now button to pay the fees. So now this is the final page for the payment where instructions are given that if your payment is done and it is not getting reflected in your application, do not panic. Wait for 3 days for the payment to be reflected. If not, then write a mail. So I would request you guys not to wait for the last moment to book your seats. So if you're doing payment on the 7th itself and it gets stuck, so you have to wait for 3 days, and by that time seat booking will be closed. So I would request you to maximum do your seat booking by 5th or 6th. Do not do the payment in the last day. So after all these things, do the payment 4,500 for each written and oral. So here the total amount is 4,553 including convenience and GST. Now proceed with the payment and enter your OTP to do the payment successfully. Now at this moment, do not click back or refresh button until you get to the final payment successful page. You will get the acknowledgement. So click on continue. It will be directed to your successful payment acknowledgement page. So here now you get the payment details. So you can click on print acknowledgement to take the printout of this. So after saving this payment details page or getting a printout of this, you can go back to the main menu and check the application status. So as you can see, the first row, seat booking application in process. So now for downloading the admit card, again you have to go back to the examination, and usually admit card will come 1 week or 2 weeks before the examination, so you can check every day. So click and view your admit card. So once the date has come for admit cards to be released, you can get your admit card here. So this is the details you can get here. For written and oral, same you will get. In the written, you will be written the date and time of examination, but for orals you won't get any date. The date of orals will come to your mail maybe 1 week or 5 to 6 days before of the actual day. So for written examination, dates are already planned, that is third Monday of the month. But for the orals, the date will come just 1 week before the oral date. The mail will be sent by the surveyor. So this is all from my side in this video. So if you like the content, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and take care.